What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of finance. You already know, guys, it's your boy Les to the EGO. You know the vibes, guys. Pull through, guys. So guys, basically on today's video, what I want to talk about, pull through, my nigga. Pull through. You know, guys, we're in the hood, Kasi, guys. Bullets blazing everywhere. I'm kidding. The Kasi is not like that, guys. It's just a normal neighborhood and stuff, you know. So anyways, guys, yeah, what I want to talk about on today's video is I want to show you guys the strategy I wish I knew as a beginner trader, right? Pull through, my G. Pull through. Let's get to work. Yo, guys, it's a lovely day, lazy day, but then it's a lovely day, you know. Kicking it, getting back to work and stuff. No, guys, already looking at the charts, guys. Sent a few signals, a few setups and stuff like that, guys. Currently looking at Euro and ZD, guys. And remember, guys, on this video, guys, I want to show you the strategy, guys, of which I wish I knew as a beginner trader, right? So basically, guys, obviously, as you all know by now, guys, when I start my analysis, I always start on a daily time frame just to see the overall market structure, guys. So this is part of the strategy, guys. You have to identify your market structure, you have to identify your touches on the trend line, and you have to identify your candlestick patterns, right? So seeing this on the daily time frame, looking at Euro and ZD from the daily time frame, I can see that the market here obviously gave me a series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now the market failed to reach this high, and now it's kind of been creating lows, lower lows and lower highs, right? But then here, guys, you can see the market was inside a uptrend structure, guys. So obviously I identify this as my market structure from the daily time frame, guys. And looking at it from the daily time frame, guys, you can see here we had our first touch, second touch, this is our third touch, and the market obviously holy grail, guys. At the third touch, the market shot up. On our fourth touch, guys, the market decided to break, intersect and break this trend line, right? And ever since, we've been waiting for a proper retest, guys. And as you can see here, the market came back and gave us this beautiful retest here, guys. And you can see we have some sort of a bearish engulfing candlestick. So obviously, guys, seeing this from the daily time frame, guys, everything just makes sense, right? All the confluences that makes the strategy powerful and accurate, guys, it's all there. You can see breakout, retest, and obviously our candlestick confirmation here. And obviously one would take trades here. But then remember, guys, this is just a daily time frame. This is just a daily overview, guys, so you can see the overall direction and learn how the market is moving, right? And obviously from the daily perspective, guys, I would look to take my trades and go all the way down with it, guys. Remember, our higher lows in this case are our reversal points or take profit points, right? So I'm just gonna mark that out for you guys so you can be able to see. Since, well, obviously you can see, guys, we are in a beautiful downtrend here. The market has already started printing these lower low. Let me just show you. Lower low here, lower high, and obviously now created this lower again. Probably this is a lower high, and the market might actually just shoot down and continue with the trend. You know, guys, we never go against the trend. We always trend with the market, trade what you see, guys, not what you think, right? Obviously can see that, okay, the market from the daily time frame, this is what I'm seeing. Just gonna jump onto the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on there. So on the 4-hour time frame, guys, what I like to do is I like to remove everything, right? I already know that from the daily time frame, the market broke our overall direction, and now obviously we are inside a possible downtrend market structure, right? So right now I'm just gonna identify my structure from the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame. I'm sorry about that. So seeing my market structure from the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see here the market has been trending up, giving us these lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and you can see now it broke this trend line, right? And obviously ever since, guys, just look for a retest and go all the way down with it, right? But then, you know, guys, have to mark out our levels every after a breakout, guys. You have to mark out your reversal points or take profit points, right? You can see here this is another level, and essentially this is our last level, right? So right now the market is sort of ranging between sorry about that, the market is sort of ranging between these two levels. You can see this is also a higher low, guys, of which makes sense for us to look for opportunities on that level, right? You can see here, guys, the market is sort of just ranging between these two levels. Let me just remove everything here, since, well, it's not looking as clean as we want it to look, right? But then, okay, doesn't even matter. So what I would do, guys, in cases like this, guys, normally, guys, I would just extend my trend line just like that, guys, and just wait for price to play around, guys, and see what's gonna happen here, guys. Just wait for price to play around. Maybe price might just reach the trend line before it actually gives us those selling opportunities, right? But you know, guys, we simply trade what we see and not what we think, right? And right now what we see is that the market is just playing around, but then we don't have confirmations yet that the market might actually just take those sellers and go all the way down. Yesterday, I remember I sent a signal around this level here. I saw that, okay, the market gave us a breakout here and a retest, and you can see we had this nice, beautiful pin bar candlestick formation happening there, and I sent a signal based off that, and obviously looking to place my take profit all the way to the downside right over there, right? So this is the signal I sent, guys. It's currently still active, hence people are still holding their positions and stuff like that, right? So yeah, guys, this is my take on this pair, guys, according to the strategy that I'm using, guys. You know, guys, you always have to identify your market structure. Each and every time frame that you go through, you always have to identify the market structure of that time frame, and obviously confluence it with your multi-touches on the trend line and your candlestick patterns, right? So right now I'm just gonna jump to another pair. Let me see a pair of which I can look into. Okay, yo, guys, you can see back testing, guys. When you see a chart like this, you know that a person is busy, guys. We don't play games this side, you know. We are working. So anyways, guys, looking at GBP CAD, you know, guys, we always start our analysis from the daily time frame. You can see that the market here came to this level, tested this level again, but then never quite really tested this level ever again, right, for a third touch and a fourth touch and stuff like that. So obviously, looking at it from the daily time frame, I can be able to anticipate that the market might actually find resistance right over here before we can actually take those sellers, right? Since, well, I can't identify a possible market structure here, can see that the market, okay, the market here is giving us some sort of structure here, but then, you know, guys, no structure has been broken yet, so we can't identify this as a structure or anything like that. So I'm just gonna take this resistance level and use it as my and add it into my bias, guys, and obviously confluence everything together to, you know, produce a signal and stuff like that. So obviously, guys, from the daily time frame, I'm looking for the market to obviously just move to this level, resistance level, and obviously respect this level and give me some sort of reversal signs, and that's when I'll actually take those sellers. But then let me jump onto the 4-hour time frame and see what's happening from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see we have some sort of a market structure, guys. Beautiful. The market is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see the market is trending up, guys, giving us those higher highs and higher lows, right? It's not even wasting time, and now it just recently broke this higher high, and obviously now we're just gonna wait for the market to push further up, give us another higher low. That's when we can actually catch our trades. So let me try to connect my trend lines, guys, and see what's happening there, guys. I actually kept a close eye on this. I think I sent a setup in my free group, guys. By the way, for people who want to join the free group, guys, you'll find the link in the description, guys. And if you want to see more of this content and more of me and stuff like that, guys, you'll find all my social media platforms, you know, contact details and stuff like that in the description, guys. And yeah, you'll just follow up on that, right? Anyways, back to it, guys. You can see here we have some sort of a resistance level of which price is actually above it right now, and it hasn't quite closed above it yet, but then you can see price has started with the bullish momentum, hence price is moving upwards, guys, like impulsively, right? So obviously from the 4-hour time frame, guys, what I would look to do is obviously wait for the market to give me a retest right over here, give me a retest and some sort of reversal signs, and that's when I'll be able to take my trades. And this is my take on GBP CAD, guys. You can see, just gonna simply wait for a retest here, guys, identifying that my market structure, guys, we are in an uptrend. So obviously looking to take for buys makes sense, guys. Looking to buy the market right now makes sense, right? So just gonna wait for a proper retest on the support level, of which now it's a support, it's no longer resisting, right? So just gonna wait for a retest there, reversal candlestick. Then obviously I'm gonna look to chop this pair, guys, all the way to go all to the upside with it, right? Even the 1-hour time frame, guys, you can see the market hasn't quite given us that retest that we are looking for and the rejection of which we are looking for, right? So you're just gonna patiently wait for this one. I'm actually gonna keep a close eye on this one and send a setup in my free group, guys. Remember, if you wanna join up, you'll find the link in the description, and all my links you'll find there. So yeah, guys, this is my take on this pair, guys. I hope you learn a lot from this video, guys. I hope you are learning as you are watching right now how to identify your market structure, you know, how to look for those reversal signs and stuff like that. So I think I'm just gonna analyze one last pair for you guys, then we just gonna chop that video right over there, right? So looking at NZD USD right now, guys, from the daily time frame, as you all know by now, we always start our analysis on a daily time frame and go down with it, guys. It's called the top down analysis, if you didn't know, but then for those who know, just keep up with the routine, right? So here you can see that the market, guys, let me just do this. The market has been giving us a series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now it seems like it broken the structure and whatever, right? But then looking at this, guys, you know that the market was trending up, guys. The market has been trending up like ever since, right? Let me try to connect my trend lines and just show you guys. You can see here, guys, we had a nice uptrend, then we had a breakout retest of the trend line, guys, and ever since the market has just been dipping, giving us those sellers, guys, you know. So right now, guys, obviously we're just gonna look to capitalize more on those sells, at least until it completes our 90% rule, guys. It completes the structure of which it has started here and broken below, right? So we're just gonna wait for that to happen, guys. There's really not much from daily time frame to tell, so let me jump onto the 4-hour time frame and see what's going on there. So looking at the chart from the 4-hour time frame, you can see now the market is giving us some sort of a market structure of its own. You can see the market is creating a series of lower lows, lower high, lower low, possible lower high. Then the market can just go down. Since well, the overall direction, guys, from the daily time frame, obviously we are looking to go short with the market. We are looking to short the market, right? Obviously all the way until this price right over here, guys. So seeing this downtrend market structure, guys, I'm not surprised. I was actually looking for something like this to happen, right? So just gonna simply wait for the market to just give me a third touch on this level right over here, and obviously just reject and give me those reversal candlesticks, and that's when I would actually look to capitalize on those sells to go all the way down with it, right? So this is my take on this pair, guys. Let me jump onto the 1-hour time frame and see what's happening there, guys. You see, guys, simple trend line trading, pure price action, guys. We don't complicate things. I don't use any indicators here. There's no indicators or any robots or stuff like that, guys. Just simple pure price action, guys. You can see trend line trading. Just identify your market structure and everything, and you'll be okay. So here, guys, looking at this pair, I can see that if I try to connect my trend lines, let me see, can see that, okay, here, guys, the market has been giving us this sort of structure here. You can see we had our first touch. Even here from the downside, you can see, guys, we had this sort of reversal channel right over here, and the market just broke above, gave us a retest and gave us this momentum, but actually just started dropping again. So we're just gonna wait for some sort of reversal candlestick, since we can see that this trend line, guys, it's being respected. The market is just failing to break below this trend line. So obviously we're just gonna count this as a retest and wait for that reversal candlestick to pop up, and that's when we're gonna actually take our buyers to go all the way up with it, up until our third touch on the trend line, and that's when we can actually look for those sellers. So I hope you learn a lot from this video, guys, and all this content that I'm doing, guys. If you find this video valuable, this channel and everything, guys, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and obviously, guys, you know, guys, we're here to work, guys. We're here to make money. We're here to chop it up, pull up. We're here to chop it up. We're here to just, you know, enjoy trading, guys, give you more knowledge on trading and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like this video, guys, subscribe, comment, guys, tell me what you think about today's video and all this content that I'm doing for you guys. To find the free group, the link for my free group, guys, just check it in the description, and all my social media platforms, guys. And obviously, yeah, we're gonna chop it up, guys. 2024, a lot of you guys gonna get your breakthroughs, a lot of you guys are gonna make money, a lot of you guys are gonna, you know, just take care of your families and stuff. Yeah, guys, just gonna end the video here.